Mother's Day to all mothers, and for those expecting, may your wish and desires be granted. Have you ever made popcorn and discovered that your popcorn kernel are not evenly popped? If the answer is yes, well, today I'll be sharing with you my perfectly popped popcorn recipe. So let's get started. I am making use of popcorn kernel and oil. First, I preheated my pot on very high heat, then added my oil to the pot. Move my pot around so that the oil is smeared all over the pot's bottom. Next, I'll be adding my corn, and I'm going to also move my pot around so that my corns are evenly spread. And then I'm going to cover the pot with its lid and turn off the heat. That's the secret to my perfectly popped popcorn. I let it that way for 30 seconds. Then I turned on the heat again, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be moving my pot occasionally while it's popping, while the popcorn kernels are popping. And then once I've discovered that all my popcorn kernels are well popped, I'll turn off the heat. When you turn off the heat, you'll still be hearing the sound of the corns popping, and then the popcorns are ready. It's that simple. So next, I'll go to flavoring of my popcorn. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I will be making my caramel sauceness. To my saucepan, I added my sugar, and this is on medium to low heat. And I'm going to be stirring this occasionally till my sugar is well melted, and I have this amber color, just like this. Stir occasionally. Next, I'll be adding butter, and I'll keep stirring. I'm using salted butter here, not unsalted, salted butter. Next, I'll be adding whole milk. You're going to notice bubbles once you add the milk. Whole milk, then stir it well, and then keep cooking on very low heat or low to medium heat till you have the desired amber color of your choice. This is how I love my caramel sauce looking like. Next, I'll be pouring half of my popcorn into it, and I'm going to be stirring it well. Your caramel popcorn is ready. Next, I'm making my butter flavored popcorn. To my popcorn bowl, I'll be adding melted butter. The use of melted butter is to bind all other dry items or spices together. I'm just making a butter flavored popcorn. Next, I added salt to taste, then sugar to taste, and I'll stir this very well. You can make use of honey in place of sugar. It's left to you. If you want it spicy, feel free to check the description box below this video, where I'm going to be listing some other flavors for your popcorn. Please remember to subscribe, remember to share, and tag with your creations on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. See you next week.